guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Petra and welcome if you're new and haven't been here before. So today I'm gonna do a look on this crazy winged liner. I don't know, I know Valentine's Day is coming. I was thinking it would be kind of fun for that, maybe? I don't know, depending on how daring you're feeling on Valentine's Day. I just wanted to do something a little more funky. So I don't know, I like that. I like the more like kind of out there kind of looks. So I don't know if I would even wear this out. Actually, who am I kidding? Yes, I probably would wear this out just because that's me. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna finish contouring because I was in the middle of doing that and then I was like, let's just get started on the video. I'm just using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, which is broken because it fell on the floor, because I still need to get a better system on my desk here of all the products I have that are just kind of sitting here and waiting to fall on the floor themselves. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. And then I've already done my brows. I don't know how great they look today. It's always a struggle with my brows. I really need to kind of like practice a little more with my brows. So I think I'm gonna go in with one of Linda Hallberg's Flash crayons in the shade Ori. It's like this yellow gold shade. And I'm gonna put it all over my lid as a base. I don't know, she said they only have about like 30 seconds to a minute to blend out, but I don't know if I'm gonna blend this one out too much. I just want it on the lid. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just a bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna take her brush. This is the 303 brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out just a little bit. This is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. So there is this really bright gold shade that will go perfect over the top. The shade Relic, that's right here. Just gonna take that same brush that I blended out. It'll just intensify the base that I just laid down with the crayon. For the inner corner and outer corner, I'm gonna go in with this Real Techniques shading brush right there, and I'm gonna go into the shade Stigmata in the same palette. It's this. And we're gonna do the inner corner. Basically just covered up all that, but that's okay, whatever. So I think I'm gonna take just a little blending brush. This is the 304 brush, another Linda Hallberg brush. And I'm just gonna take that on the edges. First I'm gonna go underneath my eye with the red, with whatever's left on this brush too. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Zulu, the Zulu, and I'm gonna go into this pink shade right there. And I'm gonna take that way up. So I've lost some of the gold in the middle, so I'm gonna go back in with that shade from the Kat Von D palette, the gold shade called Relic. And I'm gonna take it underneath in the center, underneath my eye, right here. And do, because I have this like, I like the shape kind of around my eye, so I think I'm gonna take, I don't know, I'm gonna try this. I may screw up the whole entire look, but I'm going to go in, I have this liner and then it's just like a little pot of black gel liner. I'm gonna go in with this Linda Hallberg liner brush. I want to, because I already have this line here, so I want to do something funky with that, I think. So, because you know me, kind of like having something kind of like doing something cool, sort of. So I kind of want to start out from the corner a little bit. Ooh. I want to go out further though. I kind of want to go out to the edge of this. Let's see. So maybe I'll just kind of outlining it right now because I'm not sure what I want to do. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna just fill this in. It's not perfect yet though, so I'm gonna go back in with that black shade, the Kat Von D palette. So it's this shade called Sabbath right there. And kind of clean up and fill in any of the little spots that kind of are a little like discolored. Kind of helps set the gel. Now I'm gonna go in with this topper shade in the Kat Von D palette right here. It is called Rapture. And I'm just gonna go with my finger and I'm gonna kind of just tap over the top of everything with that. Just add a little bit of a pink. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but it just adds kind of a little bit of a pinkish hue to kind of that outer edge of where I put the Stigmata shade. So I still feel like I need something in the inner corner or something, so I'm going in with that Absolution shade, which is another like glittery topper shade, and I'm gonna go and put that right here. And we need a little bit of blush and highlight. I'm gonna go in with this Hourglass shade right here called Luminous Blush. It's just kind of a natural blush shade. Just add a little bit of color. I feel like this is more of like the daring Valentine's look, but it's still like, I don't know, you could wear this out. I mean, maybe with your like single girlfriends. If you're single, you can go out and do kind of a fun, like whatever, adventurous eye look. So there you go. Okay, so let's see, what highlight do I want to go in with? I'm gonna go in with the Trophy Wife shade from Rihanna. So it's by Fenty Beauty, and it's this right here and this lovely shade. That's that very gold shade. And I'm just gonna top that on the cheeks a little, like why not just go a little crazier than normal, right? I'm gonna put on a little bit of liner in my waterline and tightline, and then lashes, and then I will be back after that. I am back. This is the lashes I went in with. I decided to use the Allure, I think it's Allure, I don't know, it's the Definition lashes. I just got these. I needed some more like really like dramatic fluffy lashes, and that's what these are. So especially for my eye looks that are a little crazy and go out. And then for my bottom lashes, I went in with this little sample of Le Volume de Chanel, and it looks like this. The brush wand is pretty good. I wanted to really have kind of a like more of a lash like doll-like look, and I was thinking about adding some bottom lashes, but I just didn't want to take the time to do it, so I didn't. All right, so I still have you guys zoomed in because we're gonna go in with a lip. So I'm going to use from the Linda Hallberg crayons. I have this shade called Whipple, and it's just like a brown, it's a metallic brown shade basically, and I thought it would be kind of fun for the look. I wanted to have like a dark lip to go with it. Her crayons are meant to be used anywhere. Like you can use them on your lips, you can use them on your eyes, you can use them like wherever. I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. She has recommended to add a little bit of oil if these tend to be a little bit too drying, but we're just gonna see. We're gonna go in with this and see how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead and top that upper lip with a little bit of that Fenty Beauty Gold. So my camera battery died and all of this, so Lovely. I just love when that happens. This is my look. I cleaned up my eyeliner a little bit. It's still, there's still some of it that's like bugging me a little bit. I wonder if I could perfect it still just a touch more. It's like so hard. Trying to get that like super perfect point, and it's just been, you know, it's been crazy. This has definitely not been easy, but as Linda Hallberg always says, just practice. It always gets easier. So anyways, I feel like it turned out okay considering I haven't done this kind of look with crazy liner, like big fat crazy liner ever really. So thanks so much for watching my video today. So I don't know, you guys can choose if you want to decide to wear this out or not, or maybe switch it up, do something else. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, or give it a thumbs up if you feel like it. And don't forget to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. You guys know everybody says that whole spiel. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.